Hello? Goldie went inside now. Hello? Peekaboo, Goldie. Oh, she's gonna play. Gonna play with her favorite toy. Gonna play with Goldie's favorite toy. We're gonna get another angle here. That's Goldie's house. Goldie's mirror. Goldie's food. All Goldie's food and goodies and stuff. Goldie likes animal cookies, huh, Goldie? Goldie likes animal cookies. Are you gonna say hello? Oh, not today. She's consumed with her toy. Yeah. I don't never lock Goldie in. Her door's open all the time, huh, Goldie? Goldie's a free bird.